WhatsApp and SMS marketing. So the first thing you need to do is what? Go on your web browser, type web.whatsapp.com. Preferably do this from a web browser, not the web app. Once you type web.whatsapp.com, you will see a QR code. If you are doing this for the first time on the browser, then you need to open your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. Click on the three dots on the right, select what's link devices. Once you click on link devices, if you have a password or a pin or a protection or security on your WhatsApp, you need to unlock your phone with the password or fingerprints. Then you click on what? OK. Now you need to what? Scan the QR code by placing your mobile phone towards the screen of your laptop or desktop. Ensure it covers the what? QR area. Automatically the WhatsApp will appear on your screen just like this. So that's the first thing you need to do. Now what you are going to do with this is that the essence of this WhatsApp marketing is to actually give you a leverage on people who are actually running ads, who have spent money to build a group or a community of people on a group. But you are not just stealing those participants on the group. You are actually using it as a tool to send or sell your own service or product. You are using it as a tool to work, sell your own service or product. In that you are copying or extracting the contact on those groups. But here is how you need to do to go about it. The first step is what? You could go on Google, search for a related topic on the kind of ad you would like to see. It could be for a product, it could be for a service, it could be for an information, or it could be about what? Training. Then you could wait for a day or two, or sometimes you might actually get to be seeing the ads related to that topic within a day. It could be on Instagram, it could be on Facebook. You need to what? Join those groups. You need to join those groups. After you join those groups, wait for some time, see if the group is a vibrant one or active one, such that more people are joining. Then wait to see if you have at least, let's say, 50 participants on the group. Join them, and then you are ready to work to do business with the contacts by extracting the contacts on the group. So you could search for information related to what's happening on perfume making or perfume business, beauty and healthcare products, weight loss, stretch mark remover, etc. Or you could do information products on exporting of goods outside of the country, baking, cooking, and other things. Or you could search for things related to what? Fashion items for women or men, or anything that you might want to do. Main importation is there, multinational importation. You could search for all these topics on what? Google. Much later you start seeing adverts on those topics. All you now need to do is to what? Join the group. It has to be an advert that is inviting you to what? To join groups on WhatsApp. And those are the ones you want to focus on. So let's take a look at an example. You first go on Google, you search for a topic. Maybe you want to do something that has to do with perfume. You type in perfume business WhatsApp group. You search, and this is what you'll be doing. So you have a link here which has WhatsApp group and Telegram group, but you are not joining the group from Google. It's just for you to have an idea of what those groups looks like. You might open some of the links. Just open the different links like this. Just open them. So the longer you stay searching a related topic, the higher the chance of what? Seeing an ad or ads on those topics, where you can join the groups from another advertiser. So you keep on opening the links just like that. You might go through those groups or go through the posts which you are opening like this. To open anyone, just keep opening, go to the next page. So you want to stay like maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes or more on this. Try to search different links or different search results. So much later you are likely going to see what? Ads on that particular topic you are searching. Are you getting my point? You are likely going to see ads related to what? That topic. Of course, like our advice, no need of joining the group from what? From Google. Wait for an ad on Facebook or on Instagram. Except you just want to practice or you want to test, then you could join from Google by clicking on any of the links just to join. So this one is actually a different group that says what? UAE, Dubai jobs and visa. Just join chat. Joining chat, you can what? Join the group from there. So then you want to look at the participants, how many are they, and stuff like that. So let's see an example from this. But you don't need to what? Join it on Google. I'm just using this as an example. So let me return to the group on my own WhatsApp account. Let's use one of the groups which you have the students on it as an example. So let's use this one as an example. You click on the name of the group. Supposing this is the group you joined from Facebook or from Instagram. Ensure you do this from your laptop. It can't be done on the mobile phone. You only connect the WhatsApp from your mobile phone to the laptop in order to do this. So you click on the name of the group, right click on any number on the group. So let's follow the notes now. So now click on the name of the group. Ensure you are doing this on your laptop or desktop. At the top of the page, you want to right click on any phone number. So let's take a look at this. Here are phone numbers of people. So just right click on a phone number, select what? Inspect. Select inspect from the option. Now you need to right click on the highlighted phone numbers, select copy and choose what? Copy outer HTML. Let's do that. Here are numbers. I'll right click on the number, select what? Inspect. Now it will open up the elements with the highlighted numbers. Now right click on these highlighted numbers, select copy and then choose what? Copy outer HTML. That way I've copied the what? The contents. The next instruction says open a notepad on your computer, paste the copied content on it. So I'm going to open a new tab, a notepad right there. Then right click inside the notepad and then paste. So here are the words, the copied contacts. As you can see, Of course, I don't need the ones that has names of people I already know, but that's why I said you must do this from what? Do it from a new group, a group that you don't even have a friend that is on your contact list, so that you can have as many contacts to send the message to for your product or your service or anything you want to promote. So here is what you do. So now you have all the contacts. The first thing you want to do is to what? Save these contacts. You want to do what? Save these contacts. So click on File, select Save As, and then give the file a name. Ensure you include the surface.html. Ensure you include the what? Surface.html. So e.g. WhatsApp group.html, or if it is a group for an information product, you save it as what? Maybe IF or information dot HTML. That will be the name to save the file. By saving it as .html, it means that it will open as a web file. It will open as what? A web file. So you can choose where to save it, maybe on your desktop, maybe on your document, maybe on your download, or anywhere you want to save the file. But preferably if you save it on the desktop, it will be easier for you to pick it. So you select desktop and you click on what? Save. Now you've saved the file. Now you've saved the what? The file. Now the next thing you need to do is to what? To break these tests or numbers, so that you can remove the commas from the list, and then this can be properly arranged vertically, so that it can be arranged what? Vertically. So that it can be arranged vertically. So let's check from the one we saved using .html. See how it looks like on the web. So go to desktop, and then here is the file. Double click the file, then it will open using the web browser. Now here are the contacts. Here are the contacts, but not well arranged. But see how I'm going to do this. To ensure it's properly arranged, the first thing is what? You need to what? Break the text or the numbers. To do this, you click on Edit on the notepad, select what? Replace. Inside the box that says Find Word, put what? Comma. And inside the other box that says Replace with, add what? The break command, which is less than BR, small letter BR, and then greater than. Then you click on what? Replace all. After that, you need to save the file again by clicking on File at the top, and then you select Save. So let's do that using what we already have. So go back to the notepad. Here is the notepad. The first thing is click on Edit, select what? Replace, or you can press Ctrl H. So find words, you add what? Comma on your keyboard, then replace with, you type what? Less than by pressing Shift and the comma, BR, letter B and letter R, then Shift and what? Full stop to close it, or depending on where you have the what? The symbol on your keyboard. To replace everything, click on what? Replace all. Now that everything has been replaced, click on Cancel or Close, then go back to File and then select Save. Now you can see that all the commas has been replaced with what? BR, greater than, then BR, less than and something like that, or less than and what BR greater than. So what you are doing is to replace the comma with what? The break command. Let's go back to the page and then reload. There you go. Now you have the what? The contacts well arranged. So it's easier for us to what? Copy the contacts, because there are some SMS platforms that we require that you should use what? Contacts without what? Commas. So it means you have to be removing the commas within the numbers. So this is how you could do that. But some will still allow what? The comma. You can just simply copy the contact and paste. So I'm going to use an example of such platform. Now you need to check from your desktop, which we've already done, to see the contacts well arranged without what? Comma or any quote. So you need to copy these contacts in order to use it for what? The SMS marketing. You could use any SMS marketing platform or software or website of your choice. For instance, there's app.sms, smartsmssolutions.ng, kudisms.com, Bulk SMS Nigeria, which I still recommend, smsafrica.com, Multitester, and so on. So the first thing is you need to what? Register a sender ID so that your messages can be delivered to most of the numbers, especially what? Those people that have opted into what? Do not disturb. They don't want any unsolicited message to come into their phone, so they actually block people who are sending message to them. So by registering your sender ID, it actually prioritizes your message to be what? Delivered to them. So the first thing now is I'm going to use this SMS platform, which is bulksmsnigeria.com. We'll sign up by using your valid details. There are 3 ways you could sign up. You could sign up using an email. You could sign up using what? Your Gmail account, which is Google account, or you could sign up using your Facebook account. So here is the Bulk SMS platform, bulksmsnigeria.com. For a new user, you need to click on what? Sign up. For a new user, then you can sign up with Facebook, you can sign up with Google using your Gmail account, or you could simply create a new details to sign up by typing your name, your last name, your phone number, which has to be verified, add your email, valid email, your phone number, and then you need to enter what? A password. You also retype the password right there, and then click on I am not a robot, and then click on register. Click on what? Register to sign up. But it's easier using Google. You will just say sign up with what? Google, to sign up an account. If it is Facebook, you already have your Facebook account logged in. Click on sign up with what? Facebook. Then you say continue as your Facebook account. Then you are on. So I already have an account. So instead I'm going to what? Sign in. I'm going to what? Sign into my account by clicking on login. Now with the details already provided, I'll click on what? Login. That takes me into the account. So the first thing you want to do as a new user on this platform is to what? First, register a sender ID. But to register a sender ID, you need to what? Purchase an SMS unit of at least 1,000 naira just to fund your account. to buy your SMS unit, you click on what? Buy SMS unit. Then you can pay via Paystack, via Sterling account, via Quick Teller, or via bank payments or so. So preferably I use Paystack. I'll click on via Paystack, right? Then you enter the amount, say 1,000 naira, which is what is required, or you could pay 500, but that means you have to do it 2 times. But once if you put in 1,000, you are ready to go. So you click on what do you want to use this one for, which of the wallets you want to use. If you want to use Universal Wallet, which is for SMS and also for what? Bills. Use what? SMS and bills. But if you want to use SMS only, which you actually get what? Bonuses, which I still prefer, just use what? For SMS only. Click on what? Proceed to pay. And now will take you to what? Paystack merchant, where you need to add your card details to pay. Now to register sender ID, the first thing you want to do is what? Go back to your account dashboard and then select what? Sender ID. Click on what? Register ID. Now you need to what? Create a name which must not be more than 11 digits or character. Let's say this is my SMS name. Let me just call it Dasin Next. So here you must write an example of a message which you want to send to people for approval. You write what? A sample of message you want to use for approval. Do not use keywords that could trigger what? Suspicion, or that could actually make your message to be flagged. Do not use what? Keywords that could trigger what? Suspicion, that will make your message to be flagged or to reject, in order for them to reject your words, your ID. So take note of keywords that trigger red flag, e.g. money and so on. So once you type in the short message, click on what? Submit. Then wait for what? About 24 to what? 48 hours for approval of your SMS or sender ID. Then you are ready to what? Start blasting or forming the messages. Just simply go back to what? Compose SMS, and then you proceed to what? Send from the unit you purchased. So let's compose an SMS now and then use that to register an ID. So supposing this is an example of what? A message you want to send. After typing the message, you click on what? Submit. Within 24 hours, you should get a response regarding your what? Your sender ID, if it has been approved. Then you can be using the sender ID to send messages to what? To the contacts which you already extracted. In some cases, you might include your website link. You could include your Instagram bio or page. You could include your Facebook page, so that people can click to go there to read more about what you are selling or your information or your service or your business. But preferably, what you can do is to what? To track people who actually receive the emails, and also to follow up with some of them. So the best way to do that is by signing up on bit.ly.com. How do you do that? Supposing this is an SMS you want to send, some people, once they see your website address, they could get annoyed and all of that. But they're seeing an unknown website, at times some might want to click on it. So you can try with either method, putting your website address directly or by shortening your website address. So how do you do that? You visit what? bit.ly.com. So you need to sign up an account on bit.ly.com. in order to be able to shorten your links. So I already have an account which is right here, but in your own case you need to what? Sign up an account. You type in bit.ly.com and then you want to click on sign up for free. Sign up for free. Then you want to use free. Click on get started. Type in a username. An email address. It has to be a valid email because you need to verify. Then you create what? A password. Click on sign up with what? Email. Click on what? Sign up with email. Note your password must be what? As a capital letter, small letter, and what? Or symbol, which is a special character in order to sign up. So you click on what? Sign up with email. Once you sign up, first you need to verify your email from your email. You need to look for the verification notification on your email. Verify. After you verified, you'll be redirected to your account. So what you now want to do with the Bit.ly account is to shorten a link, and in order to what? Keep track of people who have clicked on the link. So let's say for instance you want to create a new link. You click on what? Create, and then you type in the website address where you want to send people to. So you click on what? Create below. Now you need to add a title. So let's say title so that you can know follow up, say perfume shop or perfume SMS campaign. And then you click on what? Save. Now that you have the link, you can what? Copy the link. So here is the link right here. Click on copy. So this is the title of the campaign. You click on what? Copy. Then return to the SMS platform. Go to where? Compose message. Compose message. So instead of using the website address, you can what? Paste the shorten link right there. You can paste the what? Shorten link right there. So you go to compose SMS. Compose SMS. Now you need to choose your sender ID. Supposing your sender ID has been approved, then you will pick from the sender ID right there. Then your message will be right here inside this box. Ensure it's not more than a page. As you can see, this one shows page 1, character length 7. So don't let it exceed the page so that you don't get charged double. Now you need to copy the words, the contacts which will be extracted from the WhatsApp groups. You can do this for as many WhatsApp groups as possible. So it's not just one WhatsApp group. We will join as many groups as possible. Extract all the contacts. Then you go to the one that you already saved. Copy the contacts. Copy. Ensure it's only the contact without names. Then you paste it inside the phone number box to show you how many recipients you have there. Now if you have sufficient amount, you can what? Send to all these contacts. If you have sufficient funds or units on your account, then you can send to all of them. But here is one thing about them. which I so much like. If you want to send an SMS to some contacts, if those contacts have opted into do not disturb, you still get a refund if the message is not delivered. Unlike some other platform like Multitester, which I used previously, that one they never refund anything and they took all the money. Some of the messages did not even deliver, but this one they still have a higher delivery rate, and yet if some of them did not deliver, you still get a refund. So they charge you about 1 naira 69 kobo per page, which is quite cheap compared to some other platform that will charge you 3 naira 2 naira 50 kobo, even more. But if you want to actually force your SMS or messages to be delivered to even those who have even opted into do not disturb, it will only cost you what? 4 naira 97 kobo. So you are going to use what? Auto resend as an option. So just simply tick this box. So this means that many of your messages will be what? Delivered. Even using this one, you still have more than 70% delivery rate. So that is that. They also have one for international routes, which is no longer included now. It's usually cost 45 naira per SMS, but that one must surely deliver even to outside of the country. So you click on what? Proceed to send, and get what? Is that cost analysis. So to show you if you have enough to pay for it. Now it shows 82 naira. The cost is what? 41 naira 24 kobo, but that's more like times 2. You have 34 recipients. How many page? One page, 153 characters. So if there is sufficient fund, all you will see is what? Send message. So let's try that with a few contacts now. They will send the message. I'll just do that with just one contact. We go back. So ensure you have sufficient fund on your account before doing this. Send this to a random number. Click on send. Proceed to send. Okay, because this is just one person, the cost will be higher. So the more the contact, the lower the what? The cost. The more the contact, the lower the cost. So that's one of the things. So once you see that, you can now send the message. But just because this doesn't have sufficient funds, that's why I couldn't send. So that is basically how this is all about. So how to now track if the message was delivered or not is by going back to what? To the sent messages. So just go to delivery reports. Then you could select by batch, or you could select what? All reports. If you want to check that by batches, you select by batch. You will look at each of the messages like this, review reports. So you can see received, 4 sent, 2 failed, and or refunded out of 4, which is fine. So let's see another one. All reports this time around. Then you can see undelivered, it will be refunded. Delivered, unit refunded. As you can see, so they are refunding the ones that did not deliver. Unlike the other platform which I used, they don't deliver anything. They don't refund anything, even if it doesn't deliver. So let's look at send messages from what? Message history. You go to send messages. Also, you can what? Schedule your message to be sent for later. So here are sent messages. You can see them right here. 6 recipients for 46, 69, 95, 27, 544, 541, and the cost per the SMS. So if you check it, you could see how many that has been delivered as well. So this is just to tell you that this works, and then you can see a whole lot of list of what the ones that have been sent and the ones that were delivered. So that's just basically how this works. So when it comes to tracking, you go back to your what? To your Bitly account. On the Bitly account, just look for the title of the ad you ran previously, of the SMS rather, that you sent previously. Look at how many link clicks. It will show you the number of link clicks. It will show you the location where they are and all of that. As you can see now, there are what? 83 total link clicks. So that means some people actually received the click, they got to the page. Or if you want them to come to your WhatsApp group, you put your WhatsApp group as the link, which you need to what? Shorten. I get to my point. So this is how you check if people are actually receiving the message and if they are actually taking action. Of course, this actually works because from the result, it shows that people actually clicked, they got results. So this is a cheaper means of what? Getting sales for your product, for your service, and for your information products. It works best even for ebooks, for those who are struggling to sell health products, that's health products on Facebook. This could also be a way out. I get to my point. So, and then you can track them from those people that have interacted with your message. You can what? Get their contact. From time to time, you can be sending messages on new promotions to them. So that's that on WhatsApp plus SMS. You are leveraging on what? An advertiser who is running ads to gather people on his own group, on their own group. You reap by harvesting the what? The contacts from the group. You create the SMS platform, compose a very good message that will actually capture their attention. You send the messages to them using the SMS platform. Once people start reacting, you get sales. That is that on this. So we come to the end of WhatsApp plus SMS marketing. So watch out for more.